Eagle is known for its beautiful neighborhoods, where homes often blend traditional charm with modern updates. It's common to see properties that combine rustic elements, contemporary finishes, and classic architectural features all under one roof. If your home reflects this kind of mixed design style, choosing the right windows can feel like a challenge. Double-hung windows offer a versatile solution. With their timeless appearance and modern performance capabilities, they complement a wide range of design aesthetics while delivering everyday functionality. A classic look that adapts easily. Double-hung windows feature two vertically sliding sashes. Both the top and bottom panels can move. This traditional window style has been used in American homes for generations, making it a natural fit for classic or colonial-inspired architecture. At the same time, today's double-hung windows are available with clean lines and minimal grid patterns, allowing them to blend seamlessly into contemporary or transitional designs. For Eagle homeowners with mixed styles, perhaps a rustic exterior with modern interior finishes, double-hung windows strike the perfect balance between old and new. Flexible design customization. One reason double-hung windows work so well in mixed-style homes is their customization options. You can tailor them to complement your unique aesthetic. Options include grid patterns, colonial, prairie, or gridless, frame colors to match trim or siding, wood grain finishes for a warm, natural look, matte black or neutral frames for modern appeal. Whether your Eagle home features stone accents, wood beams, or sleek interior upgrades, double-hung windows can be customized to match. Enhancing curb appeal. Windows significantly impact a home's exterior appearance. Because double-hung windows are symmetrical in proportion, they create a balanced look across the facade. In Eagle neighborhoods where homes vary in architectural influence, this symmetry provides visual harmony, even when design elements differ from one section of the house to another. If you've recently renovated part of your home, updating to consistent double-hung windows can unify the overall exterior. Energy efficiency. For Idaho's seasons, Eagle homeowners experience warm summers and cold winters, so energy efficiency is essential. Modern double-hung windows are available with double or triple pane glass, low emissivity coatings, argon gas-filled insulated vinyl or fiberglass frames. These features help regulate indoor temperatures year-round. In winter, they reduce heat loss. In summer, they minimize solar heat gain. For homes with mixed design styles, especially older properties that have been remodeled, energy-efficient double-hung windows help modernize performance without sacrificing character. Ventilation that fits any room. The operable top and bottom sashes allow for flexible ventilation. You can open the lower sash to let fresh air in or open the upper sash to allow warm air to escape. This feature is particularly useful during Eagle's mild spring and fall seasons, when natural airflow can reduce reliance on heating and cooling systems. The ventilation versatility makes double-hung windows practical for living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and even bathrooms. Easy maintenance. For busy homeowners, many modern double-hung windows include tilt-in sashes, allowing you to clean exterior glass from inside your home. This convenience is especially helpful in two-story properties. Low-maintenance materials like vinyl and fiberglass resist warping, peeling, and moisture damage, ensuring long-term durability in Eagle's climate. A cohesive solution for unique homes with mixed design styles often require thoughtful choices that bridge traditional and contemporary elements. Double-hung windows provide that bridge. They deliver timeless curb appeal, customizable aesthetics, energy-efficient performance, and practical functionality, all in one design. For Eagle homeowners looking to unify their home's appearance while upgrading comfort and efficiency, double-hung windows offer a smart and adaptable solution that works beautifully with diverse architectural styles.